Let us see the alternative method for the 7th question. So the 7th question, what they gave, they are asking us to prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. So given is that, given we will write that let ABCD be a rhombus. Since it is a rhombus, we know that all the sides of the rhombus will be equal. So that is AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD, as well as we know that the diagonals will bisect each other at 90 degrees. So what OA, if they are intersecting at O, we will take them as OA equals to OC as well as OB equals to OD. That means O will act as the midpoint of BD as well as AC. This is what they gave, and you should prove that sum of the squares of all these sides, that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square equals to square of their diagonals, that is AC square plus BD square. This is what we should prove. So in order to prove that, so let us consider the triangle AOB. Consider triangle AOB. So in that, because angle AOB equals to 90 degrees, by Pythagoras theorem, because one of its angle is 90 degrees, we can make use of the Pythagoras theorem. So by making use of the Pythagoras theorem, what you will be having? AB square, the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to sum of the squares of the opposite sides, OB square plus OA square plus OB square. See here, since O is the midpoint, instead of OA I can write it as half of AC, means the whole length. If I divide by 2, I am going to get OA as well as OC also. So instead of OA I can write it as half of AC, so this is whole square, plus instead of OB I can write it as half of BD. In the whole length, if I divide by 2, I am going to get OB. So now if I square it, what I am going to get? 1 square is 1 itself, AC square by 2 square is 4 plus BD square by 2 square is 4. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 4, that is AC square plus BD square. Now 4 is dividing here, when it comes to this side it will multiply, that is 4AB square equals to AC square plus BD square. So instead of 4AB square I can write it as AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square, so which is written as AC square plus BD square. But we know that in a rhombus all the sides are equal, so instead of 1 AB I can write it as BC. Instead of one more AB I can write it as CD square, and this as AD square. Since all the sides are equal, instead of AB I wrote it as BC, instead of 1 AB I wrote it as CD, and instead of the other AB I wrote it as AD. So which is equals to AC square plus BD square. Hence the proof. So this is the alternate method for solving.